morning all, and to fellow graduating students, good morning. Today is a day of celebration, reflection, and immense gratitude. As I stand here, I am overwhelmed with pride and thankfulness for the journey that has brought us to this moment. Let me share my story, and I hope it will inspire you. Back then, I was raised by my Lola, who became my source of strength and inspiration every day. From the age of 12, I worked hard to provide for our daily needs, which to study. In my mind, I thought maybe this was where my journey would end. But life had different plans for me. At 17, I started working at Jollibee as service crew member. After my contract ended, I worked in a factory in Zambia for over 4 years. Then, my work shattered when I lost my Lola. I didn't know what to do or where to go, and I was diagnosed with depression at that time. Thankfully, my friends and classmates were there to comfort and support me. After 6 years,
Ortiz and Arlen Leopato. Irene J. Limula, Sherry May Naka, Ana Marina Baez, Charmy Biel Minarbasa, Sheila May G. Olavides, Regine O.